see what this thing says. Below. You got random multiple cylinder misfires.
The boot is in there.
No way, I heard the pop. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go! Alright, let's see if she'll start.
And she started.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the second part of the Toyota Tundra build. We, on the last video, worked on changing the radiator, and so far it hasn't been giving us any problems. It hasn't overheated or anything like that. I took it for a long drive and it's running really good. But I did, when I got this truck, did a tune-up. We changed the spark plugs. My dad and I did, but when we changed the spark plugs, we noticed that the ignition coils were a little cracked, so I wanted to take care of that. I didn't have them at the moment, but we ordered them from Amazon, so we're going to go ahead and replace that, and we're going to see if the check engine light turns off, because the check engine light is on, so I don't know if...
I have my OBD scanner.
Yeah.
I can check it with that.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, he has this OBD scanner, so we'll just scan the truck and see. Hopefully there's not many more codes, but let's go ahead and work on that on this video. Let's see what codes we get. I have to replace this too.
Below.
Okay.
It's the right vehicle, yes. Alright. That cylinder
04.
Oh.
0304. Yeah.
Cylinder 4 misfire. Got a cylinder 2 misfire. Got a cylinder 5 misfire.
Bro, no way, man.
You got random multiple cylinder misfires. And that looks like it's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Just the cylinders?
Yeah, that's all I keep saying. Cylinder misfire.
Man. Well, hopefully it's the ignition coils, because the spark plugs are relatively new.
I hope
If
so.
not, I mean, I'll just, I'll get some new ones again. I mean, we just changed them about like 2-3 months ago. So
You said those coils were cracked, weren't they?
they were cracked, yeah. So
Let's hope it's that then.
hopefully that's the problem. The last time I did this, I started off by taking the air filter off. And then I had to take off a few other things around here. That way I was able to get to the spark plugs. Like the ones in the front are accessible, but then you get some towards the back where I had to take off this part right here and some other parts. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and is the engine hot? No, the engine's good. So we should be able to work on it. All right, let's get started.
No, you're getting it wrong. The flex capacitor, which was connected to the defibrillator down there.
Yeah. That's it. You see the turbo?
Oh, where's the turbo?
Is it turbo, no? Or something like
That's a
that?
big turbo right there. Yeah, that's a big turbo.
We're just going to leave it open. That way we can get more of those ponies coming out of that truck.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
All right, guys, so old, new. Yeah,
Not really much of a difference.
not really much of a difference, but hopefully it'll clear those codes. And if we're going to change 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of them, might as well change all of them,
There we go.
All right, sounds good. So we put one in, we replaced one. Let's just go ahead and take care of the rest of them. Yeah, check it out though. Like this part, it popped off and it's still in there.
Huh?
The end.
Whoa, whoa.
That's no bueno.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh is right.
What's in there?
The boot.
The boot. So we're going to have to get some of those pliers.
You're gonna need
Try to pull them out.
I'm gonna say I should have a set of forceps that'll go down in there. Let me. I'll be right back.
All right, thank you.
We ran into a little bit of a problem, and pretty much Milwaukee sponsor us. But anyways, no, the boots on the coil packs are not wanting to come off. So a lot of them are stuck in there, and we're running into another problem where daylight's completely going out. But at least the time has changed, and we have more daylight. But you know, we're gonna try to get as much as we can done.
There you go.
There we go.
No way, Michael.
Oh gosh, forever.
That was like
One down, 4 to go.
a few hours later.
There you go.
Yeah, one more to go. The key here, guys, is as hard as it is, you have to just keep calm. Don't get frustrated. It almost felt like we were doing surgery.
Yes.
And if we're doing it hard and trying to like break it, it's never going to work. So just take your time, take a break, go get an ice cream, go to Chick-fil-A, man. It's their pleasure to serve you.
It never was, really.
Hey, we both worked at Chick-fil-A. I loved it, man. I don't know what's up with Michael, but I loved it. But anyway, we were able to get 2 of the boots out. We're going to work on the other side. And then we're going to try to figure out this other side as well. So anyway, we're going to get to it. Just twist it 180.
No way.
Yes,
It
dude.
almost came off.
Oh my gosh. That's
Thank
such a big W.
Goodness. on
That
one.
is such, look how bent. That is such a big W though, because then we would have had to like tear this off.
Yep.
That, oh man.
Remember, have patience.
Just be patient. This is surgery.
Take that one.
Marathon, not a race.
Ow.
All right. Let's work on the last one.
Like, we literally had to use my phone, and like we were in there trying to figure out where it's at, and then finally once he found out where it was, he just started working it in there.
Yeah.
And then
Well, we don't have like that little camera, you know, that inspector camera or whatever it's called.
yeah,
I wish we did. So just used our phones. I mean, they're worth that much.
it
So
works just as well.
they're worth more.
Exactly.
It worked out. So all we have to do now is that last one, guys.
And that one is way back there, right over there. And this one should be easier. There's not as much junk going on over here as there was over there. So we'll let you know on this one, and we'll figure it out, right?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Alrighty. No way, I heard the pop. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go! Bro, these small victories are incredible, man.
So how many hours has it been?
Well, let's see. The sun was out.
Well, we started around 5 o'clock.
And based on the stars, Probably 5 to 9, yeah.
Yeah.
4 hours.
You know, we really couldn't have done this without our Milwaukee light. Not sponsored, by the way, but we would love to be sponsored by Milwaukee.
That's right. And man, you got to give it up. Harbor Freight tools. These tools right here. I felt like a surgeon. I felt these help us out so much. And our neighbor came out here and he helped us out. He gave us some really good pliers.
These two.
Yeah, these really helped. Ben does the pliers. He gave us some knowledge too. He helped us out. We got good neighbors, so we were able to get them out. So home stretch from here. We just got to put up. We have to put the new ignition coils in, which we found out that these new ones they come with these lubricated already.
All right, if it'll focus.
Oh,
There we go.
so hopefully that's enough. If not, we should last for another 100,000 miles or so, maybe more. But, yes, sir. Oh man, we did it.
It's about time, isn't it?
Now we have to see if it works. Let me turn it on.
Moment of truth. And she started. Any check engine lights?
Check. Well, I mean, the battery was unplugged, so there's not a good check engine light. But
Nothing for right now, but we'll update you.
look how many miles it's got, bro. See it on that camera.
It won't focus. There we go.
Smooth, bro. Smooth.
Let's take it for a test drive.
Let's do it, yeah. Look at that. Look at the RPM. I don't know if you could see it, but that is steady, man. See, okay, guys, we got the ignition coils changed, and boy, that was hard. This is actually 2 days after,
Yeah.
but we got it done. It was really hard trying to get the boot off because it got stuck. We had to rip it off. We had to just find a way to take them out, but we got it done. But we got some bad news. The check engine light came back on after 2 days of driving. So we as you saw in the video, we scanned it again and we got the same.
We got a bunch, pretty much the same exact codes, multiple misfires again. Early, at least this time when I scanned it, it said just, misfires in cylinder 5, 8, 2, and 3, but it's still every single time. Each time we plugged it in, it said different ones each time.
Yeah.
And the other thing is keeps saying, now it's saying, something about the cats, which I think is just the L2 sensors on that, but I'm not entirely sure. But the codes that it's thrown, like the multiple misfire codes, I think it's the P0300 is what it is. That can indicate almost anything, but we've changed the coil packs. He's already changed spark plugs. Now it's coming down to, it could be a timing chain issue, a head gasket issue, it could be ignition issues, but we're not entirely sure yet, so we have to do some research on it. So if you guys know anything, or have a 07 Tundra or around that generation of the Tundra that might have any type of help, please comment below and just let us know, because we're new at this. We're still trying to figure it out as is.
Yeah. Like Miguel said, we're just gonna do some research, check the forums out, and if you guys can help us out, if anybody has this truck that run by these issues, please comment down below. Let us know. The crazy part is the truck drives pretty good. I mean, very smooth, and the ignition coils, changing them really help the issue. We don't know what's going on. I kind of looked a little bit. They even talked about maybe the negative, the sensors, like the ground. Maybe some of them are not attached, which could lead to maybe that cruise control not working. I don't know, right? So if you guys can help us out, that'd be great. But truck runs, so you know what? We're just going to continue at it and try to figure it out, man.
Yep.
That's what we try to do. We're not experts. We're not professionals, but we strive our best to be problem solvers. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you like the videos if you want to see more content. We really appreciate you guys coming in here and just being a part of this YouTube channel. We'll see you all next time.